My name is Orunogai Guho. I have come from Calcutta. I am Indian. I have come through One Voice Travel Club, what is directed by Shantanu Ghosh, and here Mr. Anubhav Shau, our guide, is very sincere and very careful and dutiful. We are very nicely walking and journey is very comfortable. We are feeling very nice. Many thanks to Anubhav Shau and many we are grateful to our One Voice Travel Club, Mr. Shantanu Gu and Mrs. Shantanu Ghosh and Mrs. Ghosh. We are very grateful. We are very delightful and charming. We are very happy for this journey. Thank you all. Thank you all.